Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix Instagram login error on a device. So if you are not being able to log into your Instagram account, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you won't be able to log in Instagram. So if you are already connected to Wi-Fi or data, then you just need to make sure to turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. So after turning on the airplane mode for a few seconds, then this helps you to fix the network issue which you're getting on a device. So after that, you just need to open Play Store or App Store on a device, and from here you just need to search the app Instagram. So if there is any update available, then simply update the app and make sure that your app is up to date. And after updating the app, open Instagram and see if it is working again and if you are able to log in. So if you are not being able to log into your Instagram app, simply uninstall the app from there and you just need to reinstall the app again to fix the issues. So that's it. That's how you can fix the Instagram not login issue. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.